What's going on, guys? Greg here from Carid.com and welcome back to the shop. In today's video, you and I are taking a closer look at a performance-proven suspension modification for all of you 6th Gen Camaro owners who really want an affordable and uncomplicated way to improve the handling of your car. This time, it's going to come from the team over at AFE, and this is their Control Series Performance Sway Bar Kit. This Control Series Sway Bar Kit from AFE is designed to fit all 16 to 2020 Chevy Camaros, and as you can see, everything you could possibly need to get this installed is included. New performance front and rear sway bars, new bushings, and of course brackets. This kit is perfect for the Camaro owner who really does want to improve the balance of their vehicle in the corners by reducing body roll and keeping the vehicle nice and planted. So it doesn't matter if you race your Camaro on the weekends or maybe you just like tearing up the occasional twisty back road. If you want a better handling car, this sway bar kit from AFE is a must-have, and at only just around $600 for a complete kit, it's a pretty good value. Now, before we dive right into the features of this AFE sway bar kit, let's go ahead and discuss the basics, starting with its construction. To ensure this sway bar kit can withstand severe cornering punishment, AFE chose to manufacture it using CNC bent tubular alloy steel, which is going to create a sway bar that's both strong and lightweight. And to make sure that they look good, AFE does use their signature 2-stage tangerine powder coat, making them really pop on the underside of the car, as well as keeping the metal protected from corrosion. But the most notable feature of these performance sway bars compared to the OE is their size. AFE utilizes a 35mm diameter front sway bar and a 32mm rear sway bar. Both are drastically larger than stock, which provides that increased torsional resistance, eliminating body roll and keeping the car flat through the corners. But the diameter of the sway bar itself is only one feature that's going to control the sway bar stiffness. AFE also designed these sway bars to be adjustable. This allows you to change the stiffness of either the front or rear sway bar by simply bolting up your end links through the different holes. Using the holes closest to the inside of the bar will be the stiffest setting available, and the holes on the very end of each sway bar will be the softest setting, giving you the freedom to really set up your Camaro to handle exactly how you want it. Alright, so now that you know the ins and outs of this great performance sway bar kit from AFE, let's go ahead and touch on the installation. Now guys, this is an easy to install modification that you can do yourself in your own garage. First, you got to get the vehicle safely up in the air using jack stands or a lift. Then remove both the driver and passenger side sway bar links from the OE sway bar. You can then remove the factory sway bar bushing brackets and remove the entire sway bar from the car. Grease and install your new polyurethane bushings onto the AFE sway bar and bolt it to the car using the new brackets. Then it's just a matter of bolting up your factory sway bar end links to the sway bar stiffness setting of your choice, and the front end is done. Now, the rear of the car will consist of repeating those exact same steps. However, on some Camaros, you may need to actually lower down the exhaust system to gain some better access to the sway bar, so just keep that in mind. But overall, guys, this is one of the easier suspension mods that you can make, but expect to spend at least 2 to 3 hours all said and done to get this kit installed. But when it's finished, you are going to have a well-balanced cornering machine ready to take on the twisties. Well, everyone, that is going to wrap up my review today of AFE's Control Series Performance Sway Bar Kit for the 6th Gen Camaro. So if you're tired of feeling like your Camaro is sloppy and cumbersome in the corners, head over to Carid.com right now to check out this killer sway bar kit from AFE for yourself. And hey, while you're there, feel free to check out all the other fantastic performance suspension products that AFE has to offer. And as always, I'm Greg from Carid.com, and I'll see you guys next time.